Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M33. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter a wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, manage all of your passes, then you can add new passes and payment cards, and you can go to menu. From the menu you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can check full list of participating banks and manage passwords. In your data in wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.